Okay, so that's about it for your profile. The next part of this is I'm going to get into posting. So posting is pretty easy. Again, just click border to come back to the form main page. Okay, so we got Welcome Center, we've got Tavern, we've got all kinds of stuff. So the newest one here, let's just go to our favorite war cries. So in favorite war cries, we've got all our war cries. So if we wanted to reply, simply just hit post reply. It's the second button here. And then make out your post. Your post is going to look something like this. So just put in your text. Again, you can use the codes. They got the quick buttons here for you to use. You can put a little mini title in your reply if you wanted to up here. And then once you get your post done, okay, and you want to check it to see if maybe you make sure your coding is right or whatever, there's a little preview button down here right beside send. So you click preview and it comes up and it shows you what it's going to look like when you actually post it. So at this point it hasn't been posted. You can edit it, make it look all nice. So for me, I was just going to show you how to maybe change the color just for a simple explanation. So I'm going to change it to red just because it's a big shout. I want it red. So I would go highlight the text that I want and make sure you go over the original code that's there, because the new code has to go on the outside of the old code for it to work properly. Some people have problems with that, and it doesn't work properly and they just don't get it. Well, that's just because you need. So for example, we've got, zoomed in here. Okay, so for example, you've got size 18. It's just to make it big font, right? To make it that size. So size 18, and then at the back here, at the last of it, you've got slash size in code brackets. So when you put in a color, you need to actually come from here and here, and make sure you highlight the actual size part of it so that your new code comes out on the end and on the beginning. Okay, so now I'm going to click up top here. You've got color, okay, and actually it's down here, sorry. So I'm going to actually go with red. So as you see, the color comes on this side and again down here on the end, right? So color is just simple to do. A lot of forms you need the actual color code, which is an 8-digit number, and it comes off the color palette, and you need to know. So it's kind of a pain in the butt, but I've set it up so that you can just go color equals red or color equals dark blue. Anything in here in this menu, you can just put equals blue, dark blue, indigo, all that kind of stuff, and it would come up that color. Easiest way, just click this. So now we hit preview again because I want to edit, see if it's good. And you notice all my text now is green, or red, sorry. And that's just something simple, changing colors, right? But the best, you are going to have to look through the list to really get all the codes and what they do. There isn't all of them on this bar. There's a lot more that you can use. So this is good enough for the basic user. You can change color, you can change font, you can change, make it bold, you can make it centered, you can do all kinds of stuff. So this is good enough for now. It's fairly easy to post. Remember, the more you post, the more points you get. Items will be won. So I've changed the color. I'm actually going to change the color of the other one, the Hammer Time. So in order to just change one line, make sure you just, highlight the text that you want to change. Again, just hit the color palette up here and hit red. Now, I know it's going to come up right because I did it right, so I'm just going to hit send. So, there, I've edited my post, and it is now red text. Fairly simple. You want to reply, you just hit reply. If you want to post a new one, find out which category you're going to go to. So we'll put one in tavern. No, we won't actually put one. But, so then you've got your things here. So you post your new one. Right, you put a title. Title is just, I'm not going to do it, but whatever your title is going to be. And then you put in your post. Edit it with what you want. Now down here underneath send, you have options. Excuse me. Now I have more options than a lot of people. I can make announcements, global announcements, stickies, stuff like this. But you have the option to do all kinds of stuff here. Just read through it. Then you got any officer can actually put a calendar event with the post. So for posting an event, say a training or something of the sort, we can post it on the calendar when we post the actual form. So, and then you go down here, you can make a poll. Making a poll is easy. You just put your options in, hit enter, put the next option in, enter next option. And then you can run a poll for a certain amount of days, stuff like this. Members can't make polls. Some of these options you won't have, but it's good for the officers. Now they know how to do it. Then you got your smileys. You can put all your smileys in, that kind of stuff. I think that just about covers it for posting. So next part of this is I'm going to go into the gallery.